Here I have Doogee S70, and today I'm going to show you how to change icons shape on this device. So to do this, you will have to download the app X Icon Changer from the Play Store. So open this app. Then you have to select an app to which you want to change your icon. For example, let's change icon for Chrome. And here you can select to which icon you want to change it. You have like different icons from different categories here, different styles. You can also set photo from camera as this icon, or just pick any picture from gallery, but firstly you will have to watch some ad. So I won't do it. I'll just pick one of these proposed. I like this one. This is the icon for my Chrome. And then you just tap OK. Watch some ad. And then tap Add automatically. And as you can see, now I have my new Chrome icon here. But it's basically just a Google Chrome, so but with new icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.